Hello coffeeholics, welcome back. Today, I am going to show you a very simple coffee hack. What does cappuccino, caramel macchiato, and all other macchiato drink have in common? If you're making them in iced version, then it needs a cold milk foam. Cold milk foam from my earlier video clips are made using an electric milk frother. This is my favorite gadget to make cold milk foam. You may also use a French press or manual milk frother. There are several ways to make cold milk foam for your iced drinks. Today, I am going to show you how to make cold milk foam using the espresso machine. If you're offering cappuccino, caramel macchiato, and other drinks with milk foam using the espresso machine, it probably is not necessary for you to have an external handheld milk frother when you can use the steaming function of your espresso machine. Find out at the end of this video clip. For today's drink, I'm going to make iced cappuccino in 22 ounces cup. For the coffee, I am going to use my washed coffee beans. This is 100% Arabica, single origin, medium to dark roast. I'm going to use my commercial recipe here. I'm going to use my milk syrup, which is a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. For the milk foam, I'm going to use a UHT fresh milk. And of course, to top it up, we are going to sprinkle some chocolate powder. So now, let's start by pulling our espresso shots. For this shot, I'm going to pull a very long shot. I'm going to use 20 grams of coffee beans and pull 4 ounces or 120 ml of coffee. I've got here my 4 shots of espresso, really long. This is from the recipe in my book, which is 120 ml of espresso for 22 ounce cup. And then I'm going to use my condensed milk. 1 pump is equal to 30 ml. And then I'm going to add 45 ml of my evaporated milk. This is the less sweet version. 45 ml is 3 pumps, so I'm going to 1, 2, 3 full pumps of my evaporated milk. Stir to combine. And this is my cappuccino for my 22 ounce cup. When you make cold milk foam using the espresso machine, this is what you need to do. Into your normal steaming pitcher, put some ice, and then add your milk. So we are using very cold milks with a little bit of ice in there. When steaming the milk, the aim is to get the cappuccino-like texture, that is, with a thick foam and without making the milk too hot. To do this, keep the tip of the wand near the surface of the milk to generate more foam faster and keep the bottom part of the pitcher cold. So we have our cold milk foam. It's not hot at all and it's also very foamy. Now to assemble our iced cappuccino. Into a cup full of ice, I'm going to pour my cappuccino mix. Wow, it is smelling really, really good. And the icing on the cake, of course, is our milk foam. And to finish it off with sprinkles of chocolate powder. And we have our iced cappuccino using the milk foam made from the espresso machine. Well, there you go. I hope that this coffee hack is useful. This is now my milk foam, which I can use again for another drink. So it's a combination of ice and milk. You can also cut your cost using this hack, and you get a beautiful looking iced cappuccino here. Wow, that is a really, really strong cappuccino. So this is a perfect iced cappuccino for commercial purposes, which is slightly sweet and very strong coffee. As always, the recipe for the iced cappuccino is in my book, The Basic Barista. You also have the recipes there for 12 ounces and 16 ounces, so do check it out. Details on how to order the book is in the description box below. In the meantime, if you have any question about this coffee hack, do let me know in the comment below. I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. Click that subscribe button below and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.